NTA News.
Today is International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. While security agencies along the border posts are complementing the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency's mandate of clamping down on drug distribution network, non-governmental organizations are prioritizing drug prevention strategies using robust sensitization mechanisms, emphasizing the ills of addiction. It is an all-encompassing approach to ending drug menace, but the limited number of treatment centers is slowing down the drug rehabilitation process. Let's hear these details from Michael Olale.
It has been a fiery battle against drug abuse, with major seizures like 193 billion naira worth of cocaine busted at a warehouse in Ikorodu last year, showing real effort. But like the case of a chicken's feather concealing the sweat, high rate of addiction among youth is downplaying the energy exerted on the fight against drug abuse.
In this report, I think starting from the January to date, we have succeeded in seizing over 500 kilograms of cannabis indica, which popularly they call Colorado. We have over 7 persons standing trial.
Complementing this effort are the Customs and Immigration Services, which hardly with the Federal Operations Unit supervising the 6 states in the zone makes any seizure without cannabis. In fact, just last month, close to 10,000 parcels were intercepted.
Investigation we gathered, the product is from Ghana. It was discharged from a boat into this truck.
Using the War Against Drug Abuse initiative known as WADA, supporting NGOs are preaching education as against incarceration.
At every level, we need to find our young people engaged. We need to engage them in socio-economic activities in order for them to exert their energies in the right direction.
Treatment is a major aspect of winning the war, but now that the establishment of NDLEA's 6 rehabilitation centers across the country is still a prospect, key players recommend greater synergy with the private sector.
People are not aware of the ones that are existing. For me, the first way to start is for parents to be parents again.
Stakeholders say the effectiveness of implementability solutions to fighting drug abuse depends largely on willingness of major players to sustain the tempo. In Lagos, Michael